Breaking news. The price of gold has surged past the $4,000 mark per ounce for the first time in history, sending a shockwave through global markets and raising fears that investors have begun to lose faith in governments, central banks, and the entire financial system. The rally, once dismissed as speculative, has now become a panic signal. For decades, gold has served as the ultimate safe haven asset, a refuge when trust in paper money and sovereign debt erodes. Analysts say this record-breaking move reflects a deep and growing anxiety. Investors no longer believe that governments can manage their debt burdens or sustain the illusion of fiscal control. The surge comes amid a perfect storm: soaring deficits, political gridlock, and bond markets under pressure. Yields on U.S. Treasuries remain volatile, and many traders warn that if gold continues to climb, a spike in bond yields could follow, triggering a liquidity crisis across global markets. When gold rises this fast, it's not optimism, it's fear, one strategist told reporters this morning. At the heart of the panic is a loss of faith in sovereign creditworthiness. Investors are quietly questioning whether nations drowning in debt, from the United States to Japan and Europe, can realistically pay back what they owe. With public debt ratios at record highs and central banks boxed in by inflation, the world's safest assets suddenly don't look so safe. Meanwhile, stock markets are still perched at all-time highs, creating what experts call a dangerous disconnect. Financial assets are inflated, yet the foundation of confidence beneath them is cracking. The sharp rise in gold, coupled with weakening currencies and volatile bond markets, suggests that a financial accident may be imminent. Some analysts are comparing the situation to 2008, warning that today's complacency could be masking systemic stress. Others say this time could be worse. The world is far more indebted, and policymakers have fewer tools left to stabilize the system. Gold's ascent to $4,000 isn't just a milestone, it's a message. The markets are screaming what few politicians dare to admit: faith in paper promises is fading fast. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for urgent financial updates as this story unfolds.